Let's see what we're at for the month here. What day is it today? Oh my gosh. How's it the 12th? Halloween is like just around the corner. 56 sales so far. Let's check your number, Joel. Joel, 147 under. You took the under. You might be okay. I thought at the beginning you're screwed here.
Well, the beginning of the month was
Yeah.
holy, I'm hungry. Oh wow.
It just hit you? Hunger pain?
Yeah, I'm gonna sneeze.
So stupid. He's so hungry he has to sneeze. No one's ever said those words in a row ever. Never. Oh, I'm glad I just wanted to get that shot of him doing that. 71 pending right now, average of 414, 63 days on the market. 56 sold for the whole month, 319 average. Huge difference there.